It's Nathanial here from Bibby Consulting Group. You're probably aware that traditional marketing methods are no longer effective. The world's changed and LinkedIn is one of the most powerful tools for generating business-to-business leads. Have you ever Googled somebody's name before you've been to a meeting? What do you see show up at the top of the search results? Most of the time it could be their LinkedIn profile. People are doing the same when it comes to you. And so you want to make sure that you're controlling what they see in the search results. The wrong thing to do is have a CV up there or write it in third person. You want to make sure that it's standing out from the crowd, that it converts visitors to leads, and that it ranks well in the search results for keywords as well that your customers might be searching for. Our LinkedIn profile optimization service is designed to fast track your success. We have copywriters and we also have myself involved in the strategies. We actually write the LinkedIn summary for you. It's prepared in a Word document so you can review the draft before it's uploaded, make any changes you like. When we upload it on your behalf, we customize a lot of the account settings and privacy settings. You're probably sick of getting all those email notifications from LinkedIn, right? So we customize those for you, and at the same time we optimize it. There's a 22-step checklist that we follow when we upload your profile to make sure that it's ranking at the top of the search results, converts visitors to leads, and stands out from the crowd. We've been doing this now for 5 years. I've been in digital marketing for 13 years. We've optimized well over 500 profiles. We've trained over 10,000 business professionals. So we have the experience necessary to be able to promote your brand in the light that it deserves. I look forward to delivering a results-driven professional service.